Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kalin. I've been a guitarist for over 12 years now. I've got 2 successful bands and a single album. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 2 original guitar techniques. So in order to get to these techniques, we gotta go through 3 techniques first. And the first one is going to be natural harmonics. I'm not sure if you know, but on fret 5, 7, and 12, we can touch the string right above the fret and let it go like this. We can do the same thing on fret 3, 7, 9, 12, 15, 17, 19, 22. So in order to do that again, you gotta touch the string right above the fret and then let go. Next technique is called squealing. So in order to squeal, we gotta do the same natural harmonics, say on 3rd string on fret 5, but this time I'm gonna use the 1 bar. So I'm gonna go down, do the pull off, and then catch the string with the natural harmonic on fret 5. So technique 3 is going to be pinch harmonics. How do you do them? So instead of picking with the pick like we naturally pick, this time we're going to slide with the thumb after we pick the string. So for example, picking a string would sound like this. With the pinch harmonic, it's going to sound like this. Again, I'm gonna pick and then slide with the thumb. Pick and slide with the thumb. And there's this technique that I call palm sweep. It's like doing the arpeggio like you would usually do it. For example, I've got this double power chord, 7, 9, and then 12s. So palm sweeping is like strumming, but palm muted and on higher notes. As soon as you play a note, you palm mute it so you can play the next note. Sounds a bit like Mario growing after eating a mushroom. You gotta pinch harmonics to it to make it more exotic. And also you'll need a thing pick. The next original technique is going to call power slide. Sliding up and then quickly sliding down to finish on the right note. You can always add a vibrato after it and focus on large distance slides so you can make it more dramatic. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next one. Bye.